Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to save your design on Canva. So first you'll open your design on Canva. So Canva basically auto saves your design, but just to make sure it saves it, we are going to make edits on this design. I'll just edit the ear here. And you can go to the file on the top left corner and click on save. Here in my case it is all changes saved. So now if you leave your file and try to access it again, the changes will be saved just like this. Now you can save this design on your computer by clicking on file and then download. You can select the file type you want to download the design in and you can click on download. This way it will download the design.